Alex was 32 years old, and he had been working at Arcus Corporation for almost 5 years. Every morning, he walked into the same glass building wearing the same navy blue suit, carrying the same black laptop bag. He was always on time. Always polite. Always quiet. People knew him. But they did not really know him. Alex was good at his job. He completed every task carefully. He checked his emails twice. He avoided mistakes. He respected deadlines. Yet in meetings, he rarely spoke. It was not because he had nothing to say. It was because he was afraid. Afraid of mispronouncing a word. Afraid of choosing the wrong sentence. Afraid of looking foolish in front of fluent speakers. English was not his first language. And in a corporate office, confidence often sounded like perfect English. One Monday morning, something changed. A foreign client was visiting the office. It was an important meeting. The company needed to impress him. Alex sat at the long conference table, listening carefully as his colleague spoke. The room was bright, with glass walls and soft lights reflecting on the polished table. The manager explained the project confidently. Another colleague added details. The client nodded. Then suddenly, the manager looked at Alex. "Alex, would you like to explain the technical process?" His heart began to race. This was his part of the project. He knew everything about it. But knowing something and explaining it in English were two different battles. All eyes turned toward him. For a moment, he thought about saying, "Maybe someone else can explain." That was what he usually did. But something inside him felt different. He was tired of being invisible. Alex slowly stood up. His hands felt slightly cold. He took a deep breath. "I will try," he said quietly. His voice was not loud. It was not perfect. But it was steady. He began explaining the process step by step. "At first, we analyze the client's requirements," he said. "Then we design a structured plan. After that, we implement and test the system carefully." He spoke slowly. He chose simple words. He focused on clarity, not perfection. At one point, he paused to think of a word. The room was silent. But no one laughed. The client was listening carefully. Alex continued. As he spoke, something surprising happened. His fear became smaller. His confidence became stronger. When he finished, the room remained silent for 1 second. Then the client smiled. "That was very clear," the client said. "Thank you, Alex." Very clear. Not perfect. Not impressive. Clear. His manager nodded approvingly. "Well done." Those 2 words meant more than any applause. Later that day, Alex sat at his desk. The office looked the same. The walls were the same. The lights were the same. But he felt different. He opened his notebook and wrote, "Confidence grows when you speak." Mistakes are part of learning. Simple English is powerful English. He realized something important. Fluency is not about speaking fast. It is about speaking clearly. That day, Alex did not become a different person. He did not suddenly become perfect. But he took one brave step. And sometimes, one step is enough to change everything. If you are learning English, remember, you do not need perfect grammar to speak. You need courage. Speak slowly. Choose simple words. Practice daily. Like Alex, you may feel nervous at first. But the moment you speak, you begin to grow.